in Indiana, if there's a more basketball-y state in the Union than Indiana, what would it be? But he called the basketball rim a ring. On Tuesday morning, yesterday morning, he unburdened himself in full, promising to tell reporters what I really think about Donald Trump. For the first time, he said, "This man is a pathological liar. His infidelities, his penchant for conspiracy theories, the man is utterly amoral. He is. And my dad will tell you that I might be the only person, like Moses was for the Israelites, to lead us out of the wilderness. Of the wilderness." Jesus Christ, this guy bugged me. And of course, because he's such an asshole, Glenn Beck, who just likes to suck up to the biggest assholes in the room, couldn't wait to get his arms around Cruz, right? With a showman's itch and a singular manner of speaking, the long pauses, the controlled twang, the easy deployment of words like elan and hosannas on the stump, Mr. Cruz registered at times like an actor playing the role of a presidential candidate. No shit. He often resorted to gimmickry, from reenacted movie scenes to lawyerly theatrics to his grandest stunt of all, adding Mrs. Fiorina to an imagined ticket. Oh, my God. He tried positioning himself as the party's champion of women, a Christian fundamentalist, dominionist, a Christian. He's not a fundamentalist. He's a dominionist from the Rushdoony crowd of abso-fucking-lutely Christian fascists. There is no question. So he tried to make himself the Republican Party's champion of women, a man who is part of a philosophy or a bunch of bullshit that would reduce women to, I don't know, subhuman status. Champion of women. He cast himself as the heir to Obama's generational promise, debuting a new slogan, "Yes, we will," that was quickly abandoned. Cruz told reporters last week, Donald has been a minority candidate, a fringe candidate. And the next day, Trump got 54% of the vote in all 5 primaries. He's a fringe, a minority. I am the leader. I am the anointed. Oh, and I love what he said on Tuesday, a few hours before the vote. What is today? Is this Wednesday? Kathy? All this shit happened last night? Oh, that's right. Yeah. He said a few hours before last night's vote, quote, and this one, this is my favorite. This is my favorite. If Indiana does not act, this country could well plunge into the abyss. Fuck you. Could well, in other words, if they didn't give him a victory, the country could plunge into the abyss. Hey, asshole, we're already in the abyss. Stupid sons of bitches.